Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about our green screened recording studio. As you can see, this is our second rehearsal room as well and measures roughly 13 foot by 18 foot. On the walls you will see a selection of acoustic and electric guitar and basses. Left hand models are available. There is a screen there, you might be able to see it just about, it's clear. That fits the current guidance on the COVID health and safety regulations. We have a baby grand piano, and just out of shot is an air conditioning unit so you can set the temperature of the room to whichever best suits you. We are now coming to our green screen area. As you can see, it is also our PA and amp wall. There's a selection of PA equipment, amps, monitors, both guitar, bass and keyboard. You now see our two microphones in the middle of the room, and as we pan further right, just out of shot, you may just be able to see it, is our drum kit and our mixing desk. If you wish to rehearse in this room, record in this room, or indeed film in this room, please use the down below details to contact Blackpool Music School. If you have found this video useful, please give us a thumbs up, and until next time, goodbye. Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about our second rehearsal room on the first floor. This room measures roughly 16 foot by 15.5 foot. As you see, comes complete with amplifiers, PA systems, keyboards, pianos, guitars, both acoustic, electric and bass. Left-hand models are available. If you wish to rent this room, please go to Blackpool Music School. There is a link in the video down below. I hope this video has been useful to you. If it has, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more of the same. Until next time, goodbye.